3, 2, 1.
Which of these indoor sports is most popular in Denmark? The answer is B, handball. What do you call the angle of the Earth's axis of rotation? The answer is A, axial tilt. Phobos is one of two large objects that orbit the planet Mars. Because Phobos orbits Mars, Phobos should be classified as which type of body? The answer is B, moon. Through which organ do hookworm larvae enter the human body? The answer is D, through the skin. What is the study of perception, knowledge, and belief? The answer is B, epistemology. Mr. Mendoza's class studied different body systems. What is an important function of the circulatory system? The answer is B, carrying oxygen to cells. Which kitchen tool has prongs for turning over food on a grill? The answer is D, fork. Marc Lépine, a student of the École Polytechnique in Quebec, Canada, shot and murdered 14 people on December 6, 1989. What group of people did Marc Lépine stalk and kill that day? Women. What is the state of matter with zero volume and indefinite expansion? The answer is D, plasma. What does a diode allow in one direction only? The answer is A, current. What is the name of Oprah Winfrey's character in the 1985 drama movie The Color Purple, directed by Steven Spielberg? The answer is B, Sophia. Which of these statements about the abominable snow monster is false according to the Rudolph Christmas classic? The answer is D, they are very smart. What is the principle that states action and reaction forces always occur in pairs and are equal and opposite? The answer is C, Newton's third law. All atoms have equal numbers of what two particles? The answer is B, electrons and protons. What is the coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth, Fahrenheit? The answer is D, minus 76 degrees F. What is a rocking chair typically made of? The answer is D, fabric. Which spice is commonly used in Indian cuisine and comes from the seed of a plant in the ginger family? The answer is A, cumin. What Italian dish, served in a deep round pan, consists of layers of pasta, meat sauce, and cheese? The answer is A, lasagna. What is the study of human anatomy called? The answer is B, anatomy. Who is the only player to score over 100 points in a single NBA game? The answer is C. Wilt Chamberlain. Who was the first female Prime Minister of India? The answer is D. Mehbooba Mufti. Capital of India is? The answer is B. New Delhi. According to modern geological theories, there was only one continent about 200 million years ago. What do geologists call it? The answer is D. Pangaea. What does URL stand for in web addresses? The answer is B. User-readable location. What is the phenomenon in which light and sound waves become circular at the point source of a barrier? The answer is C. Diffraction. What vegetable can be pickled and often eaten as a condiment? The answer is B. Carrot. Which word refers to the ceremony in which a new President of the United States is formally introduced? The answer is C. Inauguration. Which designer is famous for creating the bubble dress in 1957? The answer is A. Dior. When dissolved in water, the base sodium hydroxide NaO produces sodium ions with what charge? The answer is C. Positive. What do all cells have in common? The answer is C. Small size. Humans have about 20,000 to 22,000 genes scattered among 23 of these. The answer is C. Chromosomes. What is the name of the city in Inception that is a dream within a dream? The answer is D. Venezia. What has wheels but can't move without a push? The answer is D. Skateboard. What vegetable is often pickled and used in sandwiches? The answer is A. Cucumber. Who is the protagonist in Jane Eyre? The answer is B. Eyre. What funds were used in the founding of the British Museum? The answer is C. National Lottery. The X-Files, a popular American television show about paranormal phenomena, premiered in what year? The answer is D. 1993. Who broke the record for the longest hair on a woman? The answer is A. Cy Cuping. How many hours are in a day excluding leap years? The answer is C, 25. What is the name of the alien in E.T. the Extraterrestrial? The answer is B, Et Beta. Which mountain is considered sacred in Hinduism, Buddhism, and Sikhism? The answer is C, Mount Kailash. Which would most likely cause a decrease in the number of woodpeckers in an ecosystem? The answer is C, destroying all dead trees and stumps. Who wrote A Mind for Numbers? The answer is B, Barbara Oakley. What liquor precedes Mockingbird in the name of a cocktail? The answer is C, tequila. What is the name of the unit of time between a minute and an hour? The answer is D, half hour. Which two planetary bodies have humans walked on? The answer is C, Earth and the Moon. What stored form of energy is made up of glycerol and 3 fatty acid chains? The answer is A, triglycerides. Which features can be found on the surface of both Earth and the Moon? The answer is D, mountains. Which novel is known as The Great Expectations? The answer is A, Charles Dickens. What never goes out but has an on-stash-off switch?